Hey Planner fam, it's Heather here with Best Laid Plans, and today I have this week's video, and it is a Sticky Club reveal for the month of June 2021. If I have to pause a little bit during these, it is because I have two puppies playing directly adjacent to me. I'm just puppy sitting today. It's one of my vacation days, so I am just puppy sitting for my mom while she runs some errands and things. So I've got cute puppies playing. Oh my goodness, they're all wild. So this month I did get the vintage and pop packs. They also have a cute pack if you like more like pastel, kawaii kind of stickers. And I'll leave information about Sticky Club in the description box. It is a monthly subscription box, and they do stickers, ephemera, all kinds of good stuff. So we're gonna start with the vintage pack. And this month's theme is Deep Blue Sea. So I think we're gonna have some fun nautical stuff. And it looks like we have a seahorse stamp from Jessica Benhar is the artist. So yay, my clear stamp collection is growing. And then we also have this really cool notepad that says "In the Depths of the Deep Blue Sea." Really loving that. And then back behind this, we do have some, looks like some vinyl stickers by Muriel Art, and they are whales and florals. So we have 3 of these, and there's butterflies and flowers and whales like dancing. This is so cool. I don't have any stickers like this. I'm really excited. I can use whale stickers and floral stickers. Heck yes. So that was that little packet there. And then we have the sticker sheets. So we have some washi stickers that are these beautiful gold foil seashells. And then from Muriel Art, who did those dancing whales, we have the gold foil whale stickers. And I am psyched about these. How cool are those? Just the whales dancing in the moon. I love this. Oh, that's so cool. And these are also foiled washi stickers. We have some nautical scapes. Loving this. I'm really feeling maybe a Flying Dutchman layout in the future for opera inspired with these. And then we do have some Japanese hokusai prints. We've got the wave and just lots of nice, again, seascape themes. We have some clear stickers that are black and white octopus. These are really cool. And then from Jessica Benhar, we have this Ichtology, and we have like a mermaid fighting the kraken. And these really cool, they remind me of like Greek bronzes, and these are kind of like textured stickers. I really love this. And lastly, we have these beautiful sort of sea nymph kind of stickers. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And this is by Gigi Chong Art. So moving on to the pop pack. And this month's theme was Bake Craft. So I am expecting a lot of Kitchen Witch kind of fun stickers. And it looks like we have another really cute notepad. This one has a cat and kitchen supplies and a little flask, and it says it is by Coco Glay. And I actually have, I think I'm gonna give this to my friend because it's absolutely right up her alley. I'm gonna set that aside. And then I have some bookmarks, it looks like. Or, yeah, multiple bookmarks. Let's check it out. So there are 2 clear bookmarks, and I like these because they slide in this way, which I usually have bookmarks that are like for the top, but this can go on the side, which is perfect. And these are our Kitchen Witches, and these are by Cherry Rabbit. So that is the artist. So moving on to stickers for this, we have these nice kind of gold foil, and these are just opaque stickers with a white background, and they are these realistic pastries that are in these little goodie bags. So that is really, really cute. And then we have some matching washi. And then we have more clear stickers. These are from that artist Cherry Rabbit. So we have our little kitchen witches, manga style. And then we have the artist Mumechi, and they did some more really cute French patisserie style artwork here. Again, clear stickers. These are realistic, a little more illustrated this time. And we have different kinds of pastries and some teacups. And then from Erin Wallace, we have the more kind of artsy kawaii stickers. And these have more of that kind of kitchen witch theme. There's some, these would be actually good for Halloween even. And then from Shiroi Room, we have these little kitchen witches and teacups. And are these not the cutest things that you have ever seen? I am so excited about these. And it looks like they kind of have all the different seasons too, so I could really do a lot of fun spreads and things with this. And then from Coco Glay, our last sticker sheet, we have our kitchen witches baking in the kitchen. I love the little cat that has the chef's hat. How adorable is this? So it looks like we have one more thing in here, and I think it's supposed to be like a gift box. So let's just take this out and see what it is. This is also by the artwork by Mumechi, who you saw earlier in the sticker sheets. Whoa! Oh, I love it. It says sweet spells. So you could put like recipe cards in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fold this to show you. You get 2 of them! That's awesome! That's exactly what it is. You can just put like a little recipe card for somebody and share that little envelope. That is so cute. That is adorable. So that is everything in the Pop Pack Bake Craft. So that is it for the June 2021 Pop and Vintage Pack reveals for STICKII Club. If you want to see more STICKII Club videos, I'll leave a card, and you can check the description box for more info on joining the subscription service. Please subscribe and like this video for more content from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!